Show me, do you fear God? Homie, I don't even hear y'all. On my shoulder, I don't hear nah. Know the right path, left, I veer off. Fear nah, nigga, fear not.
Bruh, I've been working, y'all. Literally and metaphorically. Like, I literally just walked in the house I got off of work at 10:30. Dropped the coworker off. Went and grabbed not even food. I grabbed some fries to eat with food that I already have here, but I'm not about to eat that food. It is now 11:15. Walked straight in the door, cut this on to react. I'm working. Gotta get this out to y'all. Gotta catch up. Black Lightning. 12. Resurrection. 1 episode left. What is going to happen? Who is going to be next season's villain? Lala or Tobias? This episode, these next 2 episodes will decide that. Or the return of Lady Eve. Because I don't think she's dead. Let's not forget that. People with powers, will they be released? Will Jefferson find out about the underhanded vice principal? Will we get to see Jennifer's powers in action other than just her flaring up? Let's dive in and find out. You and you work out, my boy. Just a little bit. So the shadow board is the ASA, just like I thought.
And yet, he lives. Has lived. I need him for research purposes before all of my subjects die and the experiment fails. So bring
this is not going to make him happy at all. Ugh.
Hello, Khalil.
Mr. Well.
How he grow dreads that long, that fast? I know how long. No, I know how long it takes to grow dreads. Ain't no growing dreads like that overnight. I knew it.
Everything okay?
Yeah. I just came out of the shower and
My
there
boy,
was
you better.
a spider.
You better. Hold on. A spider. I'm about to crawl into that web back there. That ain't even fair. See, that's cheating. He can make it fit. He a genius. It's not even fair. Like, you know how they be saying it feels like electricity all over my body? He can literally make that feeling happen.
I like it when you do that. Yeah.
My guy, Jeff.
You wouldn't even let your daughter near me.
That's because of how you started acting.
It's right here.
I'm not mad at the actor. He playing his role. He doing the heck out of it. I'm just like, Khalil, that don't even logically make
with
sense.
no kind of assistance. Miss Payne.
Mr. Jefferson, how are you?
I'm good. Is Khalil home?
No, he's in California. What?
I saw him this morning.
Oh, I didn't know. How was he?
Walking.
Come in.
His mom don't even know what's up.
And I think he's gotten himself involved with people who are looking for kids like you.
Why do you think that?
The medical technology he's gotten, it's not easy to come by.
Does it matter?
Yes, it matters.
Dad, I get what you're saying, but Khalil wouldn't hurt me.
Okay, but this is not just about Khalil. It's about the decisions he's made and the people.
Bro, you might as well
he's
just tell her
possibly
it's more,
involved
it's about the Black Lightning stuff that like it is legit like life threatening.
Your mother, what?
She's isolating this meta gene so she can stop it. I can finally be me again.
You are you. I don't get that childish thought process that suddenly because you got powers, you're not you anymore. And that's Khalil.
Khalil?
Okay, so is Anissa sick? Am I?
No, that's not what
How could you do this without talking to me?
There's y'all child together.
You know, I think it's really good that we didn't tell the girls that we're getting back together.
And the dreads? Was this part of the deal?
Nah. They gave me some pills that help with the regeneration, and yeah, it just made my hair grow really fast. I figured I'd just do something new.
At least they explained it. They better than most.
Very mature.
They explained it better than most shows.
But all I'm getting is shade from you about who did what and why. Forget it. You know what? I'm better without your ass anyway.
Khalil.
I knew it. I knew he was gonna do that, and that's how she was gonna see he's stronger than usual.
What? The devil deals the cards.
The dangers lay away.
What was that? That was like a hypnotic suggestion.
Hey, Lala, you alright?
He can't talk.
Endangers loyalty how?
He can't even talk. Who just called him? That sounded like Tobias.
Peter, it's Thomas. I've got what we discussed.
Did they turn Lala into a tattooed version of Bucky?
So it turns out Marcus Roberts, who graduated at Garfield a year ahead of me, works at FGE. Called him up, said I was into energy efficiency and new economic development.
Didn't he have a crush on you?
Dad, I did not flirt with him, okay? Look, he's just interested in helping the community, guys.
Okay.
Anyway, so he found these up and down spikes at various locations until about 3 years ago. And then
So those like green light cartridges.
Go.
Handle it. Thank you. You slipped. Look at my girl. Look at my boo. Let's go. You thought she was some sweet. The heck is that? Okay, girl. Okay, let's go! With that backflip.
Your dad needs your help. Get over there quick.
Yes, he do. He need that. You feel me? Oh, okay, Jefferson. Do he? Does he need help? Are we sure he does? He mad. This episode crazy. Yeah, he need help. He just collapsed his chest. He just bruised this sternum, collapsed something. He ain't gonna be able to breathe. Or stop his heart.
Dad, wake up.
You gonna have to start his heart, girl.
Dad, wake up.
Time to bow.
Anissa, take your dad through there to the back room. Lynn, let me have your phone. Jen, you too.
Watch out, watch out.
Listen, there's a hammer under the sink in there. I want you to use it to smash these phones and then run them into the water, okay? The ASA can track us through those phones.
Put him down gently.
She like, what the hell?
We're in the medical supply.
Bring me thunder, dead or alive. I don't care if you have to burn down Freeland to do it. This experiment cannot fail.
Did he hit him with the Trump hands?
Octavius. Now do you believe in the resurrection? I will blow your head off, you mother. The devil deals the cards. Sit your ass down.
Wow. So Tobias did know.
I really hate Lucy. Now we just have to take care of Proctor and we'll own the whole damn table. So, Octavius, shall we begin? Yes, sir.
Dang. This crazy. Bruh. That's crazy. That's wild. I feel bad for the man now. Hey, the actor that played Latavius, that man deserves an Emmy. He playing the heck out that role. To be like annoying, like gangster Latavius, then like hard, like I don't know what happened. I'm back, like crazy Latavius to like being controlled, like on some Get Out. Like I'm sorry, bruh. Shout out to the actor. He a beast. This whole episode is crazy. Khalil back looking like Wilson Fisk's son from the old Spider-Man cartoons. I'm just playing. No, he don't. He looks nothing like him. He looked like a character. No. He looks like that character from that video game. It's a Capcom game. I can't think of what it's called. It's like whatever it is, the name belies what it is. But it's a dude with a metal arm and he got long brown hair. And he dressed like that, like with the combat boots and the vest and all that, and he got like one metal arm. I can't think of what it's called. It's like something Machina or something machine. If you know what I'm talking about, you a beast. Anyway, dang. So that just negates my whole who gonna be the villain for next season theory. Cause now I see it is probably gonna be Tobias, and he most likely just gonna take out Proctor. And that Proctor's the immediate villain threat. And Tobias is going to be the long run threat. Or maybe not. Maybe Tobias' luck will run out next episode. Because, I mean, he did get whooped by Black Lightning without being able to shotgun. Like, it took Khalil to come help him. Khalil is strong, yo, dude. Did you see Khalil? So if Tobias still considers himself stronger than Khalil, and Khalil is that strong enough to push over a bus, apparently. How strong is Tobias? Or is he just convincing Khalil that he's stronger than him, so Khalil don't try to turn against him, and Khalil really is stronger than he is now? And then this is my hey, that's crazy. But this episode's good. Jennifer with the powers, maybe she might maybe this might change her thought about him, since she just technically saved her dad's life. Maybe she might think about him a little differently. Maybe not necessarily wanting to be a hero or anything, but maybe she won't look at him as like, oh, my life is over, I'm not the same, these aren't a gift anymore. I don't know. But that beginning though, Lynn caught him over for the bounce chicken. Hold on, Jeff. Get it in there, my boy. I'll see you. Hey. But yeah, man, this episode was real good. Nothing with with the vice principal. She was just kind of there, just kind of like, yes, I'm evil. But yeah, man, good episode. I enjoyed it. Like usual, one more episode left, y'all. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be wild. So if you liked my review, reaction, commentary, hit that button. That looks like that. Got some theories, got some ideas, got some thoughts, or you just want to talk. Tell me how your day went. Hit that comments. Hit that comment section. I messed up. Let me know what's stressing you out. I'm here for you. Subscribe if you're new, and if you've been here, what's up? Make sure the notification bell has been rung so you are aware of all my future content. And I'll see you in the next video. I talked extra slow doing that outro. Peace.